So what happened? Yeah? And what else happened? Oh, yeah? When are you going to start talking with real words? You know how to open the childproof locks? Alright, Bobby's gonna lock them. Alright, they're locked. Safety. Safety first. Yeah. Not too safe, huh? Anybody can, even a 1 year, 1.5 year could do it. You want to put it back together? Put it back together. Alright. I'll lock it again.
Yay!
Okay. It's locked. Okay. Open it. Open it. Yeah. You know how to do it? Uh-oh. What happened? What do we got in here? What do we got in here? Danger. Oh, it's right. Yep. Alright, stay out of there. Yeah, you're not supposed to be in there. Get out of there. Close it up.